Hi, my name is Dr. Deva Khalsa, and I'm the author of Dr. Khalsa's Natural Dog and a co-author of Healing Your Horse Alternative Therapies. I want to talk to you about something very, very special today called double helix water. I've been a homeopath for 30 years. I've lectured at Oxford, and I'm a professor at the British Institute of Homeopathy. And because of this, about 5 years ago, I was introduced to a gentleman named David Gann, who had developed a particular water while working at Caltech, a very prestigious institute, with fusion. And something had happened in the laboratory which had changed the water. Fascinating. We always think of water in terms of a vapor, or a solid frozen particle, or water itself, which is the liquid. But this was as if dry particles of water had formed within the water in a dry form. Now we always think of water as wet, so this didn't make any sense. They had a mathematician work out what would have happened within the water to create the changes, and he realized that particles must have been formed that were 3 microns by 1 micron within the water itself. And they went out and got an atomic force microscope to look for these molecules, and they found them. They were all over the place. In fact, when left to sit, they actually created a double helix, and the double helix is what creates life and what forms the life form itself. It's the DNA in the double helix that makes a frog be a frog and makes a fingernail be a fingernail versus skin be a skin cell. It's what helps a frog's finger or limb grow back when it's cut off. And because our DNA doesn't allow our limbs to do that, they don't grow back when they're cut off. So DNA is really the source of life. It's a frequency that sings the vibration of how the organism is going to behave and function. It's actually a vibrational frequency, a song, the song of life, I like to call it. Well, I'm diverging. In this water, they were very fascinated of what this would do and what it can do. And so what they did were studies at UCLA, which they have published in their book, which you can find on my website. And this book talked about how it boosted the immune system of the people who took it inordinately. Many influential people began to ask Mr. Gann to use this water for themselves or their wives who were terminally ill. And the results were impressive. I'd spoken with David Gann, and I did a study on many of my patients, giving them double helix water for problems like cancer, autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, FIP, viral diseases, and many other problems. And I was very, very impressed with the results. Double helix water is available on my site. You have to go onto www.drdeva.com, click shopping links, and then on the very bottom click double helix. This connects you directly to the double helix site, and you can order the water or download and order the book and read all about double helix water and its amazing effects. Thank you very much.